Alright, boys, getting an early start here in the Jetta. It's like, what would you say, 27 degrees out?
Are you fucking crazy?
Alright, it's like fucking...
Dude, it's like 18.
Yeah, it's like 18. But we out here, Southern California. I copped the new whip, as you can see. That's what you guys thought it was all along, so...
This is the trade-in lot.
It's the trade-in lot. We're at CarMax. So we're gonna go pick up a... we can say it, I mean, you already announced. You pretty much announced it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. In the video that goes up today, you pretty much announced
indirectly said, but I didn't say anything.
You pretty much said it.
I didn't say...
You're like, it's exactly what a lot of you think it is. It's what you've been wanting.
It's been what a lot of people have been saying. That's all I said.
Alright. Whoa! Wild, but
he looked at me like I'm an asshole, like, you don't need to be doing 25 in a fucking parking lot.
Yeah, we're gonna be picking up a subframe out of a Corrado, not a G60 though.
No, it's not. Yeah, so, the thing is, I didn't say it was and I didn't say I was making it and you're gonna bleep that out.
But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We got word from our inside sources that Bailey's actually stranded on the freeway off ramp because he overheated.
He took the Legacy.
Oh, he took the Legacy?
Yeah.
Okay, that's different.
Yeah, I thought it was a 370
yeah.
when he told me. I was like, no.
I thought it was a 280. He's been taking that to work a few times. But we got word that he's stranded out there, so...
if we end up passing him, I guess it depends on which way Waze takes us.
Yeah, if it's taking us this way, we're not going to pass him.
Well, 15. But it takes us...
That's 215.
I know. So that'd be 15, 215.
Yeah, I don't know where you're going.
Neither do I.
Maybe you're going the wrong way.
Well, we could be going the right way.
Could. I don't know.
I guess I should have put in the address before I started moving my vehicle.
Alright, I'm going to break down my theory about soda. Alright. So if you grow up in a household and your parents can't, or they say that you can't have soda, I feel like you're going to start drinking soda when you're older. But if you grow up in a household where they are like, yeah, you can have the occasional soda, you know, I feel like you won't drink it when you're older. I don't know, that's just my theory. That's just my theory.
My parents never let me have soda. The only time we're allowed to have soda is if we ate pizza.
Okay, well, you gotta have soda with pizza, let's face it.
You do.
Yeah, that's like the one
but
thing.
I rarely drink soda now.
Interesting.
It's not that I don't like it, it's just...
Alright. Episode 1 of JSR Mythbusters.
JSR Mythbusters. Social experiments and social construct all in one.
We're intellectuals. Let's face it.
No!
Oh no, it's hailing! It's literally hailing. See, we weren't lying when we said it was 17 degrees out.
Dead ass hail.
Dead ass hail.
Dead ass hail.
Dead ass hail.
It's hail.
I'm finna catch a hail. Alright, I'm not oh, come on.
It's all on your jacket.
Look at this. It's, whoa! We was in drive.
I thought I was in park. I'm one of those idiots now. I see people do that in the parking lot.
That is crazy though.
For like 0.2 seconds.
Yeah, it stopped already, but like you never see that. You just never see that here, guys. So I'm happy to say that we caught it on the vlog. Alright guys, you seen it here first on the vlog. I said the vlog. You seen it here first on the vlog. We got golf ball sized hail.
It's huge.
It's humongous.
It's huge.
Humongous.
I'm getting dents in my car.
Honestly, dude, I hope
fucking dents. Like,
I hope my car gets totaled. We got the snowbanks lined up along the freeway already. We're getting prepared for the worst snowstorm of the year, dude.
Somebody calling Ferretti. Somebody calling Rob Ferretti. We need help.
But we making our way to Paris, France. Not Paris, France, but Paris you don't typically want to go to. So that's where we're heading today for this kind of stuff. Keep you guys updated. Oh no, what happened here? Someone spin out?
Pay attention and drive.
Yeah.
Oof!
Oh.
Oof!
Oh, that's bad.
Well, that's the danger of liquids on the road.
You gotta be safe out there, kids. It's happens when you're dodging minivan-sized hail on the freeway. Alright, turns out this dude lives on a farm.
He said a ranch.
A ranch, a farm.
I don't know what the ranch is. What's a ranch? A farm without crops.
I feel like a ranch is a farm, but it has the nice white picket fence out of it. Yeah, the roads are pretty ass out here. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, so I didn't think that we'd get here today, but here I am in the back of my girlfriend's Civic. And here's Brandon's car. So we get to the dude's house, roll through the gate. You know, there's few large boulders, but like, obviously you're not gonna hit that with a car. It's a large boulder. There's a few more large boulders back there, but like, nothing too big. And then there's this tiny rock right there. You can't even see it above the oil thing. We just went and got oil. I'm sure you can imagine what happened. Not a happy camper today, I don't blame him. But could be worse. Oil pan, obviously, so you guys can tell.
1 mile an hour.
At 1 mile an hour.
Literally a mile an hour.
It sucks. Oil on the hands.
Like I joked, I guess I needed an oil change anyways.
Yeah, so came for a subframe. Left without any oil. Yeah, we're not gonna have time to do the subframe today.
Maybe
Brandon has.
another time.
Yeah. Got some fog lights though.
Yeah, I will be buying the fog lights.
Yeah.
Not the grill. I'm gonna get a badgeless grill.
Yeah.
I don't want to pay $80 for his grill.
Yeah.
It's a reasonable price, but
It
I don't
is.
have that much money.
Yeah. It was just hailing for a second. Looks like it slowed down or stopped.
Hopefully it stays.
Hopefully it stays like this. But doing an oil change in a stranger's driveway in Paris. Probably not the ideal way that today was going to go, but walking away with some fog lights, so it's not a complete loss, and an oil change. So
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack it up from the other side, so whatever oil is left in the pan goes to the other side.
Yeah.
The other corner, so that I can really make sure to know. Because remember, the problem was that oil would drip through.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna make sure it's dry.
All right.
Draining the rest out now.
The whip while it's on 2 wheels and shit. Funny shit.
They fucking will, dude. That's funny.
Shooting their AKs out the windows.
They have too much money. Oh my god. Thank you for his courteous yoga mat. You think of how thick Brandon is, he's done yoga a time or two. Alright, as you can see, we're working here with the landscape. It's a bit rough, hence why the oil pan broke, but the jack's sort of, it's kind of level, not really, but car's definitely tilting that way. Yeah, we got JB Weld to save the day. So,
That's what I did last time.
yeah, it worked last time, lasted all this time, so at least we know it works.
Maybe I'll because you know how it drip a little bit?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll it'll never drip again.
Maybe. Oh man, what a
This is the last place I expected this to happen.
Yes, seriously.
I expect this to happen when I go to the beach, and those shitty ass roads.
Yeah, an oceanside, not someone's driveway in Paris.
Oh, I hate how this shit smells.
It's like silly putty.
It pretty much is.
It looks good so far. I just figured it'll turn more than
Try
that.
not to hit that again.
Is it clear?
Looks. It looks like it should, but I don't know.
Go real slow. Hey, does the tire turn anymore?
What?
Does the tire turn? Yeah, like that.
Like that?
Now go back.
Man, the struggles.
There you go. You're going past the rock. You're good. You're good. My mom's watching you guys.
Alright.
Awesome.
You made it.
You see me hanging out the door?
Got it. Alright, the oil pan struggles have ended, thankfully. Oh, favorite car here so far.
Drive too.
Favorite car here so far.
That was right hand drive. Oh my
God. Oh my god. Look who it is. Shows up everywhere. Nice window things, I like it.
Hey, Kate.
Oh no. These are my people. Those are my people, and it's a girl, of course. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Oh yeah, definitely. Feels like 2 wide body STKs.
Let me tell you why tiny turbos are the future. Hell yeah, that's the eBay sponsor. Yeah, look, his badge is... If it came down to it, I'd rather...
All behind dicks, everyone's honking for no reason.
Yeah, there you go. What the fuck?
What are they doing back there? Dude, what's that dude with the Z doing?